New just listed home, 3302 Evergreen Road, Unit 1715, Zellwood, Florida, by Nancy Minch from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,608 square feet home on a spacious corner lot offers comfort and convenience within the active Zellwood Station community. Step inside this well-maintained residence reveals a functional split floor plan featuring a bright living, perfectly connected to the kitchen area and an indoor laundry room with extra storage. The layout includes a restful primary suite and a comfortable guest bedroom, complemented by 2 full bathrooms. Outside, the enclosed Florida room and covered patio provide perfect spaces for relaxation. Residents enjoy 4 pools, a championship golf course, and 24-hour security, all just minutes from Mount Dora. Contact us and make it yours.